My name's Static Eden. I'm Static Danny. My name's Static Eden. I have a red manifold, so I think I'm faster than every other FRS BRZ.
Yeah, by 5 horsepower. To the training wheels.
Still gonna get gapped by Static Martin.
I'm not hearing it.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to Static Garage. Today, we're gonna be finally working on the FRS. My bad, BRZ, my bad.
86.
The Toyota 86. We are going to be installing, I guess, one of the coolest mods you can do to a car that I think everyone besides Martin hasn't done yet, and that is headers. And not only are we installing headers, we're installing Tomei headers.
Brand new Tomei headers.
Brand new, not even used. He ain't like Static Danny. He tries to find everything all cheap, fucking cheap ass.
No, I do, but it came down to the fact that my cat bike has a leak.
And then it just came down to like you could A from the world, you know what I mean?
You can A from the world.
Hey, that's what I'm saying.
I'm saying.
These are the headers. Hey, relax, bro. Gotta respect the header box. You want to take them out?
Sure, why not?
All right. Ooh. So it's one piece?
Yes, sir.
That's nuts.
They got a strut bar in the headers, fool.
Damn. Damn.
PCS tuning.
Shit.
It's heavy?
A little bit.
Really? So these are the Tomei headers, and it always trips me out how since this car has a boxer motor, there's only two little
Looks like
ports on each side. Ready? Tomeis are made out of titanium, so these will turn a special blue. It also has this sick-ass Tomei strut bar.
Oh my gosh.
He does have a couple of things that we're going to be doing in another video, but we just wanted to show you guys. This is Deutschwerks. Is that how you say it? Deutschwerks?
Which one is that? Let me see. That's the injectors.
So these are 700cc or 1000?
Oh, they're 1000.
You're nuts, bro. We can't even run it. He also has a fuel pump, which is 400cc.
I think it's 300.
Fuck. Why would you get only a 300 capable fuel pump, but 1000cc injector? And we have a Gucci belt, because you already know. Eden's got a floss on these fools. This is heat tape that you want to put on the headers, because it keeps the heat inside and makes sure it doesn't come out. And also, I mean, I guess you could put it on the intake as well, right?
Yeah, intake. I mean, if you have any like if you have a boosted car, like what would it be, like the charge pipe?
Yeah. This car has no engine related mods. Bone stock, and I gotta give props to Eden. He's doing it slow and he's doing it the right way. I've seen this car go from stock to still stock, but there's not a lot of stickers anymore on this car, and I respect that. You guys know me, I don't like having too much stickers on my cars, and he's keeping it really simple.
It's nice.
How do you feel about this, bro?
It's nice, but still stock.
Damn.
You know what this is for?
The trumpet, bro.
This opens up and lets in extra air. It goes.
Oh, so like exhaust leaks?
You know me.
Heavy, dude. You're just gaining weight.
I don't want to hear it.
It's like a whole exhaust system, and it costs more, buddy.
No, it actually weighs more than my whole
It's
car.
worth more than your car, buddy.
Pal.
Pal.
I could buy your car and sell it for half, bitch, and buy another one.
I said, why are you putting headers on a car that's not yours?
Oh!
I don't want to hear it.
Surprising an E36 that's not an M3.
Hey, but I bought a cash flow. I had to piece it.
We are trying to give you guys more FRS content, so if you guys want to see more of it, make sure to comment down below so we can do a video on the fuel pump, injectors, all that good stuff. I'm sure Eden will appreciate the love if you want to give him a follow at Static Eden.
It's not FRS.
Oh, it's not an FRS. My bad. It's fucking BRZ, bro. I keep forgetting.
It's the Toyota, isn't it?
It has a red manifold. It's a GT86.
That's what I
5
said.
more horsepower.
Where's purse?
So what does that do? It weighs more once you add this
Yeah,
exhaust.
see when it goes on E85, that's what it does.
Damn. Anyone want to see that? Hey, fool. Why are you leaning like a cholo, dog?
He's on hydros, fool.
Sick ass fool. This is probably the thing I hate most about cars, and it's the under tray, especially when you do oil changes, do I guess any engine work. Why is there different size bolts over here? God damn it. This is gonna be the easiest install.
4 bolts.
Yeah, there's literally 4 bolts
That's
right
illegal.
there, and then on the other side and then we have to see what connects to the piping itself, which is right here, right?
Yeah, that's over pipe.
Yeah, so we're gonna have to remove that. We're gonna give you guys a sound clip before we take them off, so we don't forget. There's only gonna be a total of 8 bolts. There's 3 holding one side, 3 holding the other, and then obviously the headers connect to the rest of the intake.
Headers connect to the over pipe. On this car, it's not called like a
Intake,
front
yeah,
pipe,
it's not
called a
definitely not
overpipe.
called an intake either, huh?
No.
It connects to the rest of the exhaust, and those were only 2 bolts. All of them are 14, which is good, so thank you, Toyota, or should I say Subaru. But I already took off this side. Just want to see how hard it would be, see if it wasn't seized on there. But this side is coming off already.
God damn.
I got it. Oh, fuck.
Damn. Good Martin dying over there even though he didn't do anything.
I took a shit in your restroom so hot, fool. Huge difference.
Martin's G right now, and that was Martin's G before.
Let's see how heavy.
Tell me the weight difference.
The same thing. It's the same thing.
Okay.
Watch, pick up.
So
it feels about the same.
this is where the cat is. There's only one cat here. I think this is for the. This is for your. I think a Tomei
Let me see,
exhaust.
fool, look at me.
Because remember, those already have studs on there, no?
Oh.
When it connects to the overpipe, there's studs already connected to the headers. That one doesn't have any studs, so you're gonna be using these, and that's why they want you to use the anti-seize, because they don't want you to seize them. I am placing some anti-seize on these studs from the block just to be safe. So if we ever need to take them out, like if he gets reffed, we're able to remove them off with ease. It already was easy to come off, but you just want to be careful, you know. So just place a little bit of it, and the nut is gonna obviously take them more. So I'm just gonna place them on all of them. He's gonna place them, and since we're converting it to a bolt instead of just a stud, it's gonna be easier to place it back to the overpipe as well. Okay, I'm gonna just put a couple nuts to hold them on. Now they're on, and they look really freaking nice.
So pretty much, why I did this, obviously the unequal length headers are a lot easier to make power with, and obviously to delete the cats.
And how do they sound? Like, what's the difference between these? Are equal length, right?
Right. So the new 2015 Plus WRXs and the FRSs obviously come with the FA motor, not the EJ motor. So they come stock with the equal length headers. These are now Tomei unequal length headers, so it's gonna give you that rumbly sound that everyone loves.
And is it bad?
What do you mean?
Like, is it bad for the car?
Oh, so it puts. So that's the thing, is like it makes the car less reliable, in theory, because it puts an unequal amount of pressure on the
one cylinder,
the ring lands.
That's why you guys have so many head gasket issues.
Oh.
I'm saying.
What is doing anything aftermarket?
So what you're telling me? So what you're telling me is that it's gonna sound like a cam.
Sponsor him.
Subi, bro.
Sponsor me.
Subi owners.
We get it, you vape. Oh, that can sound better. It's not that loud.
Oh, that sounds so good. Oh, come on here. That sounds like that rumble, bro.
Oh, that sounds way better. Right there in the cabin, it sounds the same.
That's good though.
But
you
right
want
here?
it quiet inside and loud outside.
In the back, you can hear the rumble.
Well, it sounds good.
Do you hear that? Hold on, wait. That's a rumble.
That's crazy. It's like really deep now.
Yeah.
Hey, what did you rev it at before?
Like 3K.
Okay, just do 3K.
Here, see if it sounds good.
Fuck, cool. That sounds like an EJ.
I
Let
mean,
me know if you guys want me to get a Tomei, because I'm actually down to get a single good Tomei.
Oh, Tomei would look so nice. It'll probably sound nuts too.
Bye, children. Be safe. Make sure you wear your seatbelts.
Never. It sounds so clean. All right, go for it. probably one of the cleanest FRSs I've ever heard. It had no torque before. You know what I'm talking about?
Yeah.
Feels a little faster now. I respect it.
Alright, and then let's see. Let's do the Prius test. 6th gear. No, nothing. Hardly anything.
Rumbly,
So,
but that's it.
Yeah, but like if a cop heard you, I doubt he'd even assume anything.
Yeah.
Especially if you just. Now this is idle.
Yeah.
We're doing O'Reilly's run because Static Martin burning oil.
Aren't we all?
So sad. Why are you sad?
I don't know. Because last time I used his was high mileage. Is there a difference?
No, it just had different additives. But honestly, bro, like you're quite burning oil. Might as well just add whatever.
Just get rid of it.
Yep. With the 85, you do have to change your oil a lot more, and it's considered toxic. So I would recommend changing it like, say, like 3,000 miles, every 3,000, even full synthetic. I know my buddy Jeremiah with his LS, he has the 85, and he's changing every 1,500. Oh, fuck! He wants to race him. Get him! Get him! Go. He's keeping it up. Where'd you put the gaps, bro? Did you put the gaps or no?
She didn't want the sauce, bro.
With the girl?
Yeah.
Yeah, it was a chick. I was like,
Alright, did you put the gaps?
he was in front of me, but I was reeling him
He
in.
was pulling on him.
Reeling him in.
But there was traffic and he slammed on his brakes. I'm like, fuck, and he cut me off.
Yeah.
And it was kind of
What if
scary.
a semi-
It was kind of scary.
We're going down the turn. So I
But
just stopped.
you were catching. I seen you catching.
I think he was 2 and 2. Because he kept going, dude, but I was like pulling. He went in front of me, they slowed down. I'm like, fucker.
You can't do that. Number one rule: if you're racing someone, never go in front of them.
Never, especially if you're gonna get gaps.
Well, that shit was scary. Fool, look. Fool.
He got nervous because there's a turn.
He was
I seen
pulling,
the
huh?
turn.
Hey, respect them. All over your
I was
Subi
like,
bros.
I thought it was a WRX, and I was like, oh, I can take this guy. And then I saw it was an STI. I was like, oh,
It's an STI?
Yeah.
Where are we gonna be heading into?
Deer Creek.
Take
We're not
some
gonna go
pictures
deep in the canyons, but semi, like starting in the middle, like at the beginning.
And they'll start taking off because we
Yeah.
can't catch up to you, motherfuckers.
No,
anymore.
no, you guys
Going
can't.
in front.
No real
Alright.
shit. You guys can't take
You
off.
know
with
how
it,
fast
fool.
I had to go?
Beginning of the canyon, dude, you can park the car in the middle in an angle and take pictures.
Okay, well, fuck it.
Cars pass by there.
All right, let's go.
Guys, it's probably like
100 degrees.
90 degrees. The Miata has no AC. We're dying right now, dude.
I'm trying to catch up to Morgan.
The view is beautiful.
We haven't been to the beach in forever.
Yeah, it's been a while.
We've just been working so much on cars and everything. We never get times like these to just go out. And since it's Labor Day,
Yeah,
shout out to everyone who works. Respect you guys.
I know. Mad respect.
I did have a feeling that this car was gonna overheat coming up here, and it did. I don't know what's going on, but it's not too bad right now. I just turned on the heater. I'm letting it idle so it can cool down, but we're gonna have to go back down. Back down won't be bad. We'll just pop it in neutral, but we're just gonna have to see.
I drive a Blue Grape every day though, so why is it overheating now?
We don't know. Yeah, there's no coolant in here, so give me some water. We'll just pour it in there.
Good thing I didn't. Fuck it.
Fuck, that's so weird, dude. Like, it actually had coolant in there.
The ocean's near, we can put water.
Stop. I think that we should be doing a whole coolant overhaul soon. The motor is pretty much done. It's burning a lot of oil, and I guess we're we're just saving up for a 1.8. I heard it's a pain to do, but if we're gonna have the ECM, we have the engine, we're gonna have the transmission, we're gonna have everything to just swap it in, and we're gonna try to stick it to a 5-speed. So I don't think it'll be too bad, but we'll see. But she's just trying to find a daily for now, just so we can put this car to rest. So hopefully it cools down enough for us to drive it home. The cooling was on the low mark, right? I didn't see anything, but Eden said that it was at the low mark, so hopefully it's not too bad right now. We are gonna be heading home now just to cool it down. This is gonna be the best bet, just so we don't mess anything up. We did want to go further up the canyon just to enjoy the ride, but it is what it is. Let's just head back home, let it cool down, check if everything's good. This is where we're gonna end the video. The Miata did not overheat at all when we went home, so obviously we have to figure something out. I'm pretty sure it's just the car can't handle, especially with didn't have any cooling in the reservoir, so we had to do a coolant flush. We have a thermostat that we're gonna swap in, and the fans are going to be working, I believe, because it would have overheated already, especially on idle. The FRS was a success, or should I say BRZ or A6, whatever you guys want to call it, all the same shit, except for the red manifold that's faster than all your guys' cars. If you guys want to see more content of the A6, make sure to comment down below, because we might give you guys more. So on that note, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, subscribe, share, and we'll see you guys next one.